Welcome to English Chats Daily.
Your daily partner for easy English conversations.
Hello, and welcome to English Chats Daily.
Hello, everyone. We are happy you are here.
My name is Eva.
And my name is George.
Today, we have a great topic. We will learn how to describe people in English.
Yes, we will learn simple words for how people look and how people act.
This lesson is for beginners, so please relax. We will speak very, very slowly.
That's right, very slow. You can do this.
So, George, what does describing people mean?
That is a great question, Eva. Describing people means saying things about a person, what they look like, and what they are like.
Okay, we can talk about two things. The first is appearance.
Appearance. That is how a person looks. For example, if a person is tall or short.
Yes, and the second thing is personality.
Right. Personality is how a person is inside. Are they friendly? Are they quiet?
Exactly. So appearance is what we see with our eyes. Personality is what we seal with our heart.
A perfect way to say it. Let's start with appearance.
Okay, our first word for appearance is tall.
Tall. T-A-L-L. Tall means someone is high or not short, like a tall building.
Yes, an example is, my father is tall.
Or the basketball player is very tall. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Tall.
My father is tall.
Good. The next word is the opposite of tall. It is short.
Short. S-H-O-R-T. Short means not tall.
Exactly. For example, the little girl is short.
My friend is short. Okay, let's practice. Repeat after me. Short.
The little girl is short.
Great job. Okay, next word. Thin. T-H-I-N. Thin means not wide, like a pencil.
Yes, for example, the model is very thin. Now your turn to repeat. Thin.
The model is very thin.
Excellent. The next word is strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong means a person has big muscles. They can lift heavy things.
Yes, an example is, he is very strong. Okay, practice with us. Repeat, strong.
He is very strong.
Good. Now for age, we can say young. Y-O-U-N-G. A child is young.
Yes, my cousin is young. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Young.
My cousin is young.
And the opposite of young is old. O-L-D. A grandfather or grandmother is old.
My grandfather is old. Okay, final practice for appearance. Repeat, old.
My grandfather is old.
Excellent work. Now let's talk about hair now. Hair is on a person's head.
Yes, hair comes in many colors. For example, some people have black hair.
That's right, George. People can have black hair, brown hair, blonde hair, or red hair.
We can also talk about the style of hair. For example, some people have long hair.
Wonderful. You have learned many words for appearance. Now let's learn about personality.
Yes, personality. This is about how a person is, how they act.
Our first word is friendly. F-R-I-E-N-D-L-Y. A friendly person smiles and likes to talk to other people.
Yes, like a happy dog. An example sentence is, my new boss is very friendly.
Okay, listeners, repeat after me. Friendly.
My new boss is very friendly.
Good. The next word is shy. S-H-Y. A shy person is often quiet and does not talk a lot.
Right. They might feel a little nervous around new people. For example, the new student is shy.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. Shy.
The new student is shy.
Great. Our next word is kind. K-I-N-D. A kind person is nice and helps other people.
They have a good heart. For example, my teacher is very kind.
Let's repeat that together. Kind.
My teacher is very kind.
Perfect. Next is funny. Funny. A funny person makes you laugh. Ha ha ha.
Yes, they tell good jokes. For example, my brother is funny. Your turn to practice. Repeat. Funny.
My brother is funny.
Good. And the last word for personality today is quiet. Quiet. A quiet person does not talk a lot. They are not loud.
Yes. My sister is quiet. She likes to read books. Let's all repeat quiet.
My sister is quiet.
Fantastic work, everyone. Now let's learn how to ask questions about people.
This is very useful. There are two important questions. The first question is for appearance.
Yes, to ask how someone looks, you say, "What does he look like?" for a man.
Or, what does she look like for a woman? Look like is for the eyes, for appearance.
So if I ask, "What does he look like?" you can say, "He is tall and strong."
Exactly. Now, the second question is for personality. To ask about personality, you say, what is he like?
Or for a woman, "What is she like?" So is like is for personality.
Right. So if you ask, what is she like? I can say, she is kind and funny.
This is very important. What does she look like is for appearance. What is she like is for personality.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. What does he look like?
Now the other one. What is she like?
Very good. Okay, Eva, are you ready for a small role play?
Yes, let's practice. I will describe my friend Maria. You ask me the questions.
Okay, first question. What does Maria look like?
Good question. Maria is short and she is young.
Okay, and what is she like?
She is very friendly and she's very, very funny. We laugh a lot.
He sounds like a great friend. My turn. I will describe my brother Tom.
Okay, what does Tom look like?
He is very tall and strong.
And what is he like?
He is quiet, but he is very kind.
That's wonderful. Okay, listeners, now it is your turn to practice.
Yes, think of a person you know. It can be your mother, your father, a friend, or a teacher.
Try to describe them. Use the words we learned today. Is your father tall? Is your friend funny?
Say the sentences out loud. Speak English. It is okay if you are slow. Practice is important.
You are doing so well. Let's do a very quick review of the words.
Okay, for appearance, we learned tall, short, thin, strong, young, and old.
And for personality, we learned friendly, shy, kind, funny, and quiet.
You did a fantastic job today.
Yes, you did a wonderful job. Learning English is a journey. Every step is good.
Remember, it is okay to make mistakes. Mistakes help us learn.
So this week, try to describe people you see. It will help you remember. George, I think our listeners are ready to use these words in real life.
Yes, thank you for listening to English Chats Daily.
We are so happy to help you learn. Join us again next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye and keep practicing.